Hi everyone, welcome to Play Data Science with Python course. Windy, first we will see who's who this course is for. Okay, then only you can learn. This course is for people who want to get into data science, perhaps from a different background, whether it is a different career or background, even a person non-technical person also can learn. This course is intended for beginner to intermediate, beginner to intermediate, beginner to intermediate. Uh, any students or freshers or employees who are working in companies, they want to switch out their career to another field. Okay, AI and ML field or data science. They can also can learn this course. So what do you have to do if you want to learn, if you want to complete? You have to do a few things from your end. First thing is you have interest to learn. Interest. That means you have to identify your goals, why you are learning. Next thing, just seeing the video or listening this video will not help you. Will not help. What you have to do? Take notes. Okay, take notes. Whatever you understand, right? Take notes in your notebook. Okay. Don't just only listen. Okay. Take notes. And if you have any doubt, Google it. Google it. Or ask me in our doubt clearing session. You can check with me. When you Google it, you can use image search. Okay, type and I think we will see when you are when we will go through the course. You can see how to search anything in technical point of view. You can search it easily with in image search instead of web or all search. You can use image. Okay, you can get more idea. And third thing is practice. You have to practice. This is very important. You have to practice yourself. You have to code. Okay, I will give some case study as sample. You have to go through the case study, and after that whatever we are giving assignment, if you do it yourself, if you submit the assignment, definitely you will get more knowledge in this field. Okay. Data science and AI. So welcome to the course.